For a number of years now, there has been a growing realization that conceiving, designing, and implementing public policy requires a number of skills, conceptual knowledge, and attitudes which are common with those of business managers. So managerial skills, managerial concepts, managerial attitudes now have become an essential part of a public policy maker's set of tools. And therefore government a few years ago started thinking about designing a program where these inputs can be provided to mid-career civil servants. And after a series of discussions and a series of negotiations with institutions, finally this program was born, which is now called Postgraduate Program in Public Policy and Management. And IIM Bangalore was selected in competition with many other reputed institutions. IIM Bangalore was finally selected by the government and the UNDP to design and offer this program. So that is the background. Okay. The essential nature of this program is to provide theoretical inputs, certain skills. The program consists of a number of courses in functional areas of management, like for example finance, marketing, economics, as well as specific courses in public policy design, public policy implementation, the politics of public policy making, and so on and so forth. An attractive feature of the program is a 2-month module which is delivered at the Maxwell School of Public Affairs in Syracuse University, which is one of the leading universities in the area of public policy in the United States. So participants spend approximately 8 weeks at Syracuse, okay, which gives them a kind of global exposure. During that stay they also visit a number of multilateral institutions like World Bank and so on. So this gives them a global exposure and also a feel for what is going on in the area of public policy in other countries. So along with that module and a set of very valuable inputs provided at IIMB by IIMB faculty. Okay. And I must add that IIMB is perhaps unique in having a set of faculty members who started both the worlds of business management and public policy making. So we have a group of faculty members who are equally adept in both these areas and therefore are in a position to offer a management program which is uniquely designed for public policy makers. The first cycle of the program is over and we have excellent feedback from all the participants. The second cycle is currently on, and I am sure as we go along the program will keep on improving, and in the near future it will be one of the best public policy programs anywhere in the world.